Well, that's yet another tripod plate with my quick release designed for my Samsung Galaxy A51 5G. It's designed to fit it with the protective case on it, so it won't fit other people's Samsung Galaxies. But it'll fit mine and it'll fit my tripod. This is for the tripod I keep in the back of the car, which has a different shaped plate again. So that's the tripod. Oh, that's a Miranda as well. Oh, that's interesting. I was working on Miranda the other day. So that one, flip that back. That's the original. That's the one I'd made for my camera, phone. Traditional style with a springy bit on it. And this is the one that I've just printed, which is just a snap fitting. So that goes in there. Has that gone in? Oh, that's gone in better. And there we are. In place. That's just lazy, that is. That means you just put the phone in, it snaps in place instead of, well, you can do that with one hand. With that one you tend to need two hands, one to pull the spring up out the way. And that obviously is for the ordinary camera with the screw fitting. Yet another camera bracket or tripod plate. Slightly different again for yet another one of my tripods. In fact, this is for my monopod that I spotted in the back of the car when I was trying the last bracket out. I thought, well, might as well make one for that as well. Another one of my tripods or camera mounts. In fact, this is a monopod, as you can see. It's one leg. Came from Jessop's originally. It extends. The advantage of one of these is you can use it as a walking stick and then put your camera on the top to steady yourself when you actually want to take a picture. So what we've done, obviously, is made another one of my camera mounts for my phone, Samsung Galaxy. So we just clip the phone in there, which I can't demonstrate because I'm filming with it at the moment. Outdoor demonstration, tripod, Miranda Titan 606 it says down there somewhere. So that's the original camera plate, which works absolutely fine if you want to screw things in. That's my previous version. Which works fine. And that's the new one. Which again, works fine. And then while we're at it, there's the monopod, Jessop's monopod 330, yeah, 330, isn't it? able to get it all in there. Yeah, so that extends to a good height, probably something to do with the 330, but it's not 3 meters 30, so I'm not quite sure what the 330 stands for. Let that down just a little bit further. Balance that temporarily against there. Move that plate. That's my new one. There we are, that's the new one in place. And there we go. So the idea is to say, this one you can use as a walking stick, and it does give you that extra bit of stability when you're trying to film. Still wobbles around, but you're not bouncing up and down with your breathing. So it's sort of a halfway house. Yeah, anyway, so that's my, or two more of my camera plates, especially for my Samsung Galaxy A51 5G with the protective case on it. So if you printed one of these, it'd be no good for your phone on its own. It only fits when you've got the protective case on it. Sculptured to fit all these extra little bits and pieces. And you can even hang it on something. That's what I put the loop on the top for. Well, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and leave me a comment so I know how I'm doing.